Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a Hostinger domain on Shopify step by step. So without further ado, let's jump right in. First, go over to Hostinger and select domains. Here you will see all of your active domains. Simply copy the domain you want to use. Then go back to Shopify, tap on settings, go to domains. From there, click connect existing domain and type in your domain name. After that, click next. It's going to get you to the setup page. The first step is to log into Hostinger, which we have done already. The second step is to add the DNS record. The type will be TXT, the name is Shopify verification, and you'll update it to this number shown here. Now go back to your domain in Hostinger, click Manage. Inside here, open DNS name servers, then return to Shopify, copy the Shopify verification name. In Hostinger, select the type to TXT, paste the name, add the value, and click add record. Okay, so we need to add the name without the @ symbol. Perfect. Once the DNS record is added, go back to Shopify. Next, remove the existing verification shown here. And after deleting that, update the other DNS record, edit the A record, and point it to the IP address provided by Shopify. Then update the CNAME record, so it's going to point to myshopify.com. After all these settings are updated, go back to Shopify and click I updated the DNS record. Once the process is complete, your domain will be connected and active globally. And that's really how to connect your Hostinger domain to Shopify. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.